Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely Jane. If you are new here, my name is Lovely Jane and I live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we are talking about manifestation, vision boarding, वगैरह वगैरह because literally I have been vision boarding since I was 16, I guess. Yeah, since I was 16 I have been vision boarding and some of them came true. Like last year, whatever I had put it into my vision board is the reality I am living now. I have always dreamed of moving out, of living in this city, of living in Jaipur, and I'm finally living in this city. And मजे की बात तो ये है कि the pictures I put it into my vision board are all my reality now. Like मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे फोटोज लगाए थे लाइक बापू बाजार के फोटोज लगाए थे एंड देर आर सम स्पेसिफिक प्लेसेस ऑफ जयपुर विच I had put into my vision board, and I just realized this when I was exploring Bapu Bazaar, and suddenly there was a click in my head. Oh my god, I have saw this shop somewhere. And then मुझे याद आया कि oh my god, ये तो मेरे vision board पे था. So yeah, this is all very crazy. Like vision boarding works, manifestation works. अंधा विश्वास जो होता है वो तुमको अपने ऊपर बहुत रखना पड़ता है. Like you have to have the audacity to believe in yourself. You have to be so delusional in your dreams that सामने वाला सोचे कि अरे ये तो पागल है, until unless you prove them wrong. Because when I was literally very delusional, when all of this was not my reality, people did people did think that I was some idiotic thing. But look at me now, I'm not idiot anymore. And yeah, my account is more about raw real talk and not those BS advice like how to allure men, how to talk with men, 5 feminine ways to talk, how to be more feminine. And I'm not into this BS. I am not. I really am not. So this channel would be a safe space for you. You can call me an elder sister, you can call me Didi, Gigi, Saheli, whatever you like. Manifestation does work. Manifestation is magical. And what is manifestation basically? Manifestation basically is believing into things that didn't occur yet. Like you have to have the delusional belief in your dreams that this is my reality. This is not going to be my reality. You don't have to use going to be, will be. This is my reality. This is my reality. I am living in Jaipur. I am exploring Bapu Bazaar. I am a full time content creator. I used to say this literally 100 times a day to myself. I was literally repeating these words inside my head. And see, this is my reality now. So, baby girl, you have to believe in yourself. You have to have the andha viswas in yourself. You have to be so delusional. You have to be so fucking delusional in yourself that सामने वाला कुछ भी सोचे, you don't care. You know that this is your reality. This is going to be your reality, even if it is not in fact, even if it is not in matter right now. You know that it is going to be your reality, and it is your reality because you deserve no less. Let's be honest, you deserve no less. Because society tells you that your dreams are untrue, your dreams are very whimsical, your dreams are not real enough, your dreams are this and that, because your dreams are yours. You know what can you do, you know what is meant for you. I have this blind faith in myself that I am meant to do this. I am meant to do content creation. I am meant to do this, and I am doing this. I have fought with so many challenges. I have faced so many challenges for this, but I never gave up on my dreams because I just know that this is my dream. This is the path I have to go. This is what is built for me. here is my success, and I have to choose this path. Even if I had to fight with my parents, with anyone. And I'm really grateful for my father. He supports me a lot. I love him so much. And I'm really grateful for my family, friends, and my loved ones. They really, and I'm moreover specifically grateful for a person in my life who I am really more than grateful enough. For that person, I am living. You can say that. Like, I am really grateful for that person. Hey person, if you're watching this video, don't bless. So yeah, I don't know what I'm blabbering because I do not have any script. I do not like any script. I just want to talk. I just want to yap, yap, yap. So see, all I want to say here is just have that faith, that delusional belief in yourself that you are going to achieve everything in your life, everything you put into your vision board. Just have this blind faith that you are going to live this life as you want, because there is no other way around. There is no other way around. If your soul wants to do something, it is your mission. It should be your mission to fulfill your soul's mission, because every soul has a mission. Maybe this is my soul mission, that I should speak up, I should share my wisdom, I should do this. And every soul has its own mission. And how do you know that mission? You just have that gut feeling in yourself that you are meant to do this. You are absolutely meant for this. Just trust that gut feeling and go with the flow, and watch how your life gets magical. And prove them wrong. Prove those people wrong who call you delusional. And it is not about those people, it is not about proving them wrong. It is the process, because in this process you need some fuel, and use those people, I'm sorry for that, use those people as a fuel who try to bring you down. Use that as a fuel of proving them wrong, because when you reach that destination you will realize that you don't even care about proving them wrong. You just wanted to make yourself proud. You just wanted to make your child self proud, and that is what life is for. You should make yourself proud. You should only and only make yourself proud. There is no one in this world who would love you, who would accept you as you would do, because you know yourself since the day you were born. So be your own best friend. Just do yourself a favor. Do the things you love to do without without any guilt. Without any guilt. Just be yourself. Do things you love. So yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know what else would you love to watch here. I would love to make those videos for you. Thank you so much if you made it till here. Lovely loves you so much. Bye.